एक बात बोलूं, यूपीएससी में मार्क्स नॉलेज के इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आप मेंस प्रिपरेशन करने की सोच रहे हो, वैसे तो ये टाइम है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर रिजल्ट आपको मेंस की ही प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए। और अगर आप मेंस की प्रिपरेशन करना चाह रहे हो तो मेरा ये मुद्दा है या मेरा ये पॉइंट है कि यार बेटा, नॉलेज इज़ वन पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, बट if we are not able to convert that knowledge into marks, then that particular knowledge is of no use. Now when it comes to means, knowledge is funneled into marks when you work upon your answer writing, and for that I have a program, mark. So this mark will be taken by me, entire program, and will be categorized into two subparts: basic sessions and advanced sessions. All of it we will conclude within 2 weeks. Now these sessions will be highly practical, highly objective, and you will know after every session that what is the requirement and what was that thing which was lagging in your mains answer writing. Okay, and if you already know me, if you have been my student, you know how I deal with the various topics or the maybe the programs. So in this mark, our entire objective will be to ensure that when it comes to the answer writing, you are in the auto mode. Okay. And with the basic sessions, I will ensure कि beta, even if you have not written any answer so far, you are comfortable in the answer writing. With the advanced sessions, my entire objective will be to enable you with all what I can say the tools of answer writing. Your pen will be automatically in what I can say function when it will come to the mains answer writing. And in short, you will love your mains preparation after this short course. Okay, see you in the batch. Thank you.